How to delete saved searches on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually delete the saved searches on eBay. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to actually delete your saved searches on eBay, it's very simple. First of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the eBay application to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in eBay, and go ahead and then simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the eBay application, what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and then open it up. And next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. So let's say that you have some of the saved searches. So if I have to go and show you by tapping on the search box on the top, you can see the recent searches, but we're not going to learn to delete this one. Instead, we're going to go to saved, and you can see our saved searches. And if you want to delete our saved searches, it's very simple. All you have to do is simply tap on the see all button over here. Once you tap on the see all button, you'll be able to see all of the searches which you have saved. In my case, let's say I have only saved one searches just to show you guys. And what I will do is I will tap on the three dots right next to that particular search. And once I tap on the three dots, you'll be able to see all these various options. You just have to go ahead and then select the option which says Unsave at the bottom of the screen. And as soon as you select Unsave, that particular search history is actually going to be removed from your saved searches. So then if I come back and show you again by tapping on search on eBay, if I go to saved, you can see it says saved searches and members, which means that now we have successfully deleted the saved searches. And this is how you can delete saved search history on eBay. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.